Alright people, how we doing? Now it's been a couple of weeks since I was in front of the camera doing any challenges or anything like that. I was intending on doing something pretty soon, and I got a message from a guy called James from Jamming Hobidendo off, I think I named that right, off Instagram, asking if I would review some of his pods. I was gobsmacked. I love fresh pods and it's way off my normal pod season where I get from TJ Burns. They're usually later on in the year. So I was overjoyed and I said, yes, please send them on. So they arrived today. Interesting names. We have this one is called A Little Bastard, excuse my language, and it's quite hot by the looks of it. It's very gnarly. See how blistered that skin is. I'm not too sure on the Scoville unit on any of these. Should have maybe done a bit of research first, but they arrived today and I'm very excited to try one or some. This one is a Frostbite, nice green colour. It's slightly purple on the end, you see. Again, that's got blistered skin. It looks hot. And this guy, this colour's fantastic, look at it. Purpley, green. It's called a pink, no, a Taj Mahal pink Minion. Bizarre names, I wonder who comes up with them. And this one, I am excited to try. It's a dragon's breath, and they're very hot by all accounts. Seen some people get destroyed off them. And this one is a cross grown by Anna Hot Stuff 4668 on Instagram, off Instagram, and it's an RTNC. Not too sure what that could be crossed with. Today is Tuesday, so work in the morning. So don't know whether I should eat all of them. I'm going to try some of them. I'm going to start with a Taj Mahal Pink Minion. I tell you what, probably won't be doing these today. That's a weekend job right there. So we'll move them and we'll see how far we get through these ones. So I've waffled on enough. Gonna have a look inside. Nice, feels thick. Don't know if you can see. Some oils on the knife. Nice thick walls. Not many seeds, very tiny little seeds. Kind of full of placenta, however that's just the walls. Very thick, feels like it's going to be a crunchy one. Oh, wow. Oh man, I've missed that smell. Right, take the stalk off. Thank you very much, James. I appreciate this. Down the hatch. That was a nice burn. Nice burn. Ooh. Hiccups. Just give me a minute. The burn is can't quite do. Yeah, it's just on my tongue. It kind of felt like it was everywhere, but oh gosh, it's quite hard to tell what's going on through these hiccups. Yeah, so the heat. It's definitely just tongue. Probably around about I don't know, maybe a 3 at the moment. As soon as I swallowed it, rose quite quickly, and it's levelled off quite quickly too. Then I've just seen your message, James. Which one are you doing first? Pink Taj Mahal, or Taj Mahal Pink Minion, whichever way around it was. I missed that burn. It's completely different from challenges and whatnot. The burn off fresh pods, the smell, the flavour. It's lovely. Now I know you should really wait a while before you dive into the next pepper, but I haven't got all night, so I'm gonna go with a Frostbite. We'll have that another night. Have a look, see. Again, it feels like another thick-walled one. Oh, we got some seeds. What's in there? There's actually a bit of oil in there. I don't know whether I noticed any in the first one. Anyway. Thank you very much. Whoa. Oh, it's so florally. That was the most floral pod I've ever had. Now I get it. Now I get why people don't like floral pods. Whoa. It's like eating. Yeah.
Stinging, and I need to drink of water.
His tongue's stinging. You say hello? That's Nico, by the way. So that was really hard to swallow. Not much heat in that one, unless it's just a residual heat from the first pod. Go on then. This is Rocco.
Mm-hmm.
You alright?
Okay.
Off you pop, let me finish this video. Go on. Go on, Rocco.
Today.
This bed prop there, Frostbite pod, probably
And that's
similar. I'd say.
And that have hiccups.
I've got hiccups, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to end this one here.
It's so silly.
He's 4. I'd say thank you again, James, for sending these through. It was an honour to review these two. I'm looking forward to doing the other ones on the weekend, minus the children. Thank you very much, guys. Take care.